Hello friends, welcome to Code Meta channel. In this video, we will talk about IQ full form. What is the meaning of IQ full form and what stands for IQ? IQ is a intelligence quotient. IQ is taken a whole score obtained from cycle of standardized measures or subtest planned to calculate individual intelligence. Suppose the IQ of a 8-year-old boy with mental age of 12 will be 12 by 8 into 100, that is 150. 12, 12 is a upcoming age and 8-year-old is a boy age. Okay, then what will be the calculation? 12 by 8 into 100. Okay, now IQ usage. Where IQ usage is important: educational placements, evaluating job applicants, assessment of intellectual disability, research and advancement of human intelligence, etc. Next is IQ importance. What is the IQ importance in the world or in our nature? IQ test allow understanding of individual reasoning ability. It aims to analyze how well individual can exploit knowledge and technology to answer and forecast. It permits gathering insights into a candidate memory. IQ test can assist teacher is knowing which trainee require extra concentration. Various organizations also carry out tests to choose their team. Now the other full form of IQ is Iraq, image quality, installation qualification, information quality, intelligent cube, industries Qatar, and Institute of Querying, like this full form you can note into your book or pause the video to learn one by one. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to Code Meta channel by clicking red subscribe button to get more videos on full form on different topics. And here you will also get a knowledge of different topics like React.js technical topic. These are technical topics: React.js, PHP, coding, database, and much more. So see you in next video. Take care and goodbye.